Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be ripping 2 fat packs of Donruss football. That's right guys, we're going to be ripping these 2 fatties that I picked up at my local, I think it was at the Big Lots. So decided to pick these up, said hey, I'm going to pick them up. There's only like 2 left, so I took the last 2 at the Big Lots. We are looking for Find 4 exclusive press proof blue parallels. And there is a 30 card value pack, so it's 30 cards in a pack. So let's get into it, guys. Hopefully we can pull something great. We'll get in with the first pack here. You got the main dude up in there, Justin Herbert in the front. See what we can pull. Hope everybody's having a good day. As for me, I'm just gonna do a little rip before I hit to work. So see what we get. Our kid reporter back there. Here's our little stack. Von Miller time, like their last name. Jalen Hurts, Cohen, Kenny Galladay, Mark Andrews, Patrick Peterson, Rob Kenyon Drake. Let's see, come on, focus. James Jr., Christian Kurt, Leonard, Kamar, Jesse Bates the third, Will Furry. And here comes our clues. We're gonna go ahead and let's see here. Put them like this. Here we go. COVID mask, Kittle. Aaron Jones. We got a Justin Herbert. Aaron Rodgers, COVID mask. Terry Bradshaw, let's go. All right, here comes our rated rookies. Hopefully we pull somebody good. Greg Anderson. The man Brown. Ted Wood. Comes our press blue, Devin McQuarrie. But Baker. And let's see who we got here. Card's kind of sticky. Oop, that one just flew away. We'll pick that up later. Kalen Cole, and there's our silver. Lawrence Taylor, that's pretty cool. And the last one that flew away, guys, on the floor is Bruin Jordan. Don't know too much about him. This is a cool little card right there. This one's pretty cool. Put him on the stand. We'll get into the second fat pack. Let me just put these cards up real quick. Here we go. Let's get and see if we can get somebody out of here. Let's go. All right, guys, let's get into this. Kind of speed everything up. Jonathan, Jake McCurry, upside down. Rangers, Smith, Lawrence Taylor, upside down. Jared Goff, James, Ted Higgins, Dan Marino, Chin, Robert Woods. Get these fixed up. Rated rookies. Oh man. Got a Terry Bradshaw. Let's go. JC Horn, rated rookie. Capri. Chase Claypool. Kyle Murray. Let's go. Travis Dollar. Sneeze. Rated rookie. Eric Stokes. That's just. Here comes a Brute Plus. Joe Montana. That's cool. That's a nice one. Pete Wentz. And we have Aaron Rodgers. Let's go. Peter Freeman. Let's go. Rated rookie press. I think this is probably the best one too. And the last one, here we got a Carson Wentz quarterback. Throwback. Well, guys, there you have it. 2 fatties, 2 fat packs ripped. Let me know in the comments what one's your favorite one. Like always, guys, thanks for watching. Take care, guys. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.